Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily upload your images in Gemini. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. Once you're here, I would like to explain that this is going to be very simple and straightforward, right? Because uploading images to Gemini can be useful for getting explanations, analyzing content, extracting text, and answering questions about the picture itself, right? So for example, over here, you have your Gemini on your Chrome. Click on this plus icon, upload files or images, then select the folder and the image you would like to upload, right? Or another way is to simply look up for any images online. For example, I search for SS ships or steamships, right click, copy image, and then simply paste it over here. All right. Then I'm going to ask, like, can you describe this image for me? Hit enter, and that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. You can ask for anything like clarification. Say, for example, this ship is not very clear. This will actually give me more information, what kind of ship it is. And from there, you can further ask Gemini for following or follow-up questions. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.